This place was huge in the 80s with the kids. Just keep your eyes on the monitors and keep people out.
This will be the most famous Thanksgiving dinner since 1521.
Looked in the mirror, so many people standing there. I walked towards them, into the floodlight.
I don't know what to do. Help. You're the one who always has the answers.
You want to be a hero, Renfield? You have to risk everything. And as someone that cares about you, you're never really going to be free until you face him.
Small mistakes. That's how they get caught. Dying people!
You could save their lives.
I can't let that happen to them. We have to stop him.
I tried to warn you. I really did try, in my own way. But it's too late now. He knows that you're looking for him. He'll be coming.
We want to lure him to a secure location and trap him inside.
Then what?
We execute him.
The yellow rabbit hurt your friends. Show them what really happened.
Come get some.
I'm just kidding. Anywhere else I'd